5 DIY wood projects for beginners. Do you have some old wood lying around that you'd like to salvage and restore into your very own woodwork creation? Or perhaps you're just looking to get stuck into a bit of DIY for beginners to pass the time at home? It seems like everyone is trying their hand at DIY during the coronavirus lockdown, so here are our top DIY projects for beginners to get involved with this summer. Before going into the video, discover the world's largest database of 16,000 woodworking projects with step-by-step plans, even if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. Click the first link in our description to get access to the plans. Now let's get into today's video. DIY wood projects for complete beginners. 1. Cut your own chopping board. I know what you're thinking, a chopping board is just a plank of wood, right? Absolutely not. Most modern chopping boards have quirky cuttings that make an ideal DIY wood project for beginners. The best part about building your own chopping board is how you salvage an old piece of wood and carve your own fine details. You could even use your fancy new chopping board as a serving board. 2. Build a shelf or planter. Start simple, put up a shelf. Building a shelf from scratch is an ideal DIY wood project for beginners as it's simple yet challenging enough to help you get to grips with woodwork. What you'll need: new or salvaged wood, a sanding machine or paper, desired paint or gloss, something to hang them with. You can really get creative with this. Think anything from old belts and thick rope to standard hinges and screws. If you're feeling even more creative, you could use your shelf wood to build a planter. With summer just around the corner, we're all spending more time in our gardens and on our balconies. A planter is a perfect way to spruce up your outdoor, or indoor, space this season. This DIY project is ideal for beginners and keen gardeners as you'll just need a few important items. Wood, of course, salvaged or new. Screws and a drill. A bag of compost. Seeds or flowers to plant. 3. Shoe organizer. A shoe organizer is a great first step to more advanced, yet still beginner, DIY woodwork projects. Your shoe organizer rack can be as simple or as complicated as you like. You'll just need some wood and a few screws to get started. We love this DIY shoe rack tutorial. 4. Functional wine holder. If you're partial to a glass of wine, or two, then why not put your woodwork skills to the test and start with a wooden wine holder? Your DIY wine holder could even double up as a beer holder. There are plenty of DIY wine holder tutorials out there, but we'd recommend this one for beginners. 5. Self-storage. If your woodworking skills are more on the advanced end of the beginner category, why not give self-storage a go? The best thing about building your own at-home storage is customizing it to fit your house and your storage needs. Whether you're building drawers for under the stairs or a cupboard for in the hallway, the opportunities are endless with a self-storage unit. And don't forget to check out Earth's largest collection of 16,000 woodworking projects by clicking the first link in our description. If you like the video, then make sure to hit that like button. Also, if you want more woodworking tutorials, please consider subscribing our channel for more contents every day. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think of this video in the comments below.